The next thing is sex determination. Sex determination. Hanking was a scientist in 1891. He observed a nuclear structure in few insects. He observed that in the nuclear structure of few insects, 50% only structure was different and 50% structure of the sperms were different. That means 50% sperms were different produced by the same insect and 50% sperms produced by the same insects were different. He called this, the thing which he observed, a specific nuclear structure that he observed, he called this X body. But at that particular time he couldn't explain it. Later what is done, this X chromosome was called as the sex chromosome and it defined female in insects. It defined female in insects. So what was actually that? One nuclear structure is this and another nuclear structure is this. In this he found something else and in this he found something else. When he observed this, he found 50% were bright in color, suppose I am telling you bright in color, and 50% were light in color. So in the dark colored, though they both were produced by the same insect, suppose 50% were dark in color, 50% in light in color. This made female and this made male. Okay, that means one X chromosome if is found is known as male, and where two X chromosomes are found, that is called as female. So later it was called as the X chromosome. This is known as the X body, or this is called as the X chromosome. And other chromosomes which are found in someone's body, those chromosomes are known as autosomes. Such as in human being there are 23 chromosomes. 23rd chromosome is suppose the sex chromosome, and all or the X chromosome, all the chromosomes 22 pairs, they will be known as autosomes. They all are autosomes. So what actually here has been defined, in humans or other organism, XY type of sex determination is seen, but in some insects, Drosophila such as, XO type of sex determination is present. XY denotes male, and insects X0, that means no other body, denotes only one X, denotes male. In human beings it denotes male, and in this insects it denotes male, X0 or XO type also it can be said. But in both these segments, if you see, the male chromosome, one chromosome 23 is different from another chromosome 23. You know that one cell contains a set of chromosomes, that means two long rod like chromosomes. This is 23 and this is also 23. One 23 contains one X and another 23 contains one Y. That means heterogamety. That means whenever it is going to produce gametes, 23, one 23 will go in one sperm and another 23 go will another sperm. So sperms will be of two types. So this is known as male heterogamety. This is known as male heterogamety. Whereas in insect also it is male heterogamety. Okay, both the gametes are different, and female will be the same. Here female homogamety is found. Okay, whereas if you see in others, such as in birds have female heterogamety. In human beings female is XX, that means both the sides, if it is going to produce ova will be same, and male is going to produce two different types of sperms, that means male is heterogamety. But in some birds the sex determination is ZZ and ZW type. ZZ here will be male and ZW different will be female. They have female heterogamety, that means female will produce two different types of gametes. In human being female produces same type of gamete, but in birds female produces different types of gametes. That is why it is known as female heterogamety type of sex determination, which is found in birds. So this is all about male heterogamety and female heterogamety. And in human beings, XY type of sex determination is found, where you can find easily male is XX, female is X, male is XY, female is XX. If you mate Punnett square, male will produce 50% X type of chromosomes, 50% Y type of sperms, okay, and female will produce same type of ova. If this type of sperm meet with ova, then it becomes a female. If again same type of sperm meet with ova, it becomes female again. But when Y chromosome meets with ova, then it becomes XY, and in the same manner here also XY, okay, though I have written a bit opposite, so it can be like this, XY and XY. So 50% children will be male and 50% children will be female. Ratio will be 1:1. So this is sex determination in human beings. 50% sperms will be of XY type, 50% sperms will be XX type. Sorry, 50% sperms will be X type, 50% sperms will be Y type. And that is why it is said that previously in Indian society it was not known, okay, and just because of that there was pressure on the female that she has produced the female. But after the advancement of science, now we know that who is responsible for the sex of the child. It is actually male who is responsible for the sex of a child, because male contains 50% female characteristics and 15% male characteristics, and female will be produced, or the male will be produced, will be determined by only the male partner, not the female one. So this is all about today's session. Next time when we are meeting with the session, I will be talking about the mutation. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.